What is cruelty as grounds for divorce? Imagine living in a marriage where every day feels like walking on thin ice. Sometimes, one spouse's behavior makes it impossible to stay together. That's where cruelty as grounds for divorce comes into play. In family law, cruelty means one partner has acted in a way that makes living with them unbearable. While most divorces today are no fault, meaning neither person blames the other, some places still allow fault-based divorces. In these cases, cruelty is a common reason one spouse can cite to end the marriage. Cruelty can be physical, like hitting, pushing, or causing harm. It can also be emotional, such as constant insults, threats, or verbal abuse that wears down the other person's mental health. Mental cruelty might involve manipulation, controlling behavior, or actions that make the spouse feel anxious or depressed. The key point is that the behavior must be serious enough that continuing the marriage feels impossible. It's not about minor disagreements or arguments but about ongoing, harmful conduct. To use cruelty as a reason for divorce, the person filing must prove the behavior happened. This usually involves showing evidence like police reports, medical records, messages, or witness statements. Usually, a single incident isn't enough unless it's extremely severe. Courts look for a pattern of behavior that makes living together impossible. For example, if one spouse repeatedly threatens or physically harms the other, that can be grounds for divorce based on cruelty. When someone chooses to file for divorce because of cruelty, it can influence the case's outcome. Courts may consider cruelty when dividing property or deciding on custody of children. If abuse is involved, the court might award custody to the non-abusive parent or give them a larger share of assets. Proving cruelty can be challenging, so gathering strong evidence is important. Fault-based divorce means one spouse is responsible for ending the marriage due to their harmful actions. The term insupportable is often used, meaning the marriage cannot continue because of the behavior. Alimony, or financial support after divorce, and custody decisions can be affected by proof of cruelty. Overall, cruelty as grounds for divorce involves serious, ongoing behavior that makes living together impossible. The burden is on the person filing to show that the cruelty occurred and justifies ending the marriage.